God has a chosen people.
That's right.
God did not come to unite all people.
That's right.
God came to divide the chosen of people. What was that, sir?
Nadie, tú no puedes venir y traerle la palabra a nadie si esa persona no quiere buscar la persona tiene que hacer.
You're absolutely right.
El fariseo do that.
You're absolutely right. If you don't want to look for God, if you don't want the words of the Most High God, then you're going to not hear them.
That's
You're
right.
not going to hear these words. This man just said that we're not brothers, but we believe in the same thing. Isn't that craziness? Deceive you with the commandments of man. God is merciful, you're absolutely right. But God, He does not like disobedience. And sin is the transgression of the law. You can't do away the law of the Most High God and then be forgiven for sin, because sin is the transgression of the law.
Colossians 2:8.
But the book of Colossians, chapter 2, verse 8. Beware lest any man spoil you through philosophy
too, brother.
and vain deceit, after the tradition of man.
That's right, after the tradition of man. The tradition of man is going to lead you to wickedness. The tradition of man is going to lead you to selling drugs to your brothers and sisters. The tradition of man is going to lead you to go out party and get drunk off your ass and then wake up with a hangover, thinking that's cool.
After the rudiments of the world and not after Yahushua.
That's right. The pastor's going to lead you to destruction. Man is going to lead you to destruction. Hold on, brother. We'll get right with you, okay, papi?
I'm not your brother.
¿Por qué no?
No, porque I believe, you believe in something different than I believe.
¿Cómo así?
Sí, porque tú dices que el Mesías vino a traer paz, que el Mesías vino a juntar el león con la oveja. Y yo no veo
Negre,
nada.
no, nosotros no estamos diciendo eso. Jesucristo vino
Aquí.
para destruir,
Él
to divide the nations of people. God has a chosen people.
That's right.
God did not come to unite all people.
That's right.
God came to divide the chosen of people. What was that, sir?
Nadie, tú no puedes venir y traerle la palabra a nadie si esa persona no quiere buscarla, porque eso no tiene fariseo.
You're absolutely right.
The fariseo do that.
You're absolutely right. If you don't want to look for God, if you don't want the words of the Most High God, then you're going to not hear them.
That's
You're not
right.
going to hear these words. This man just said that we're not brothers, but we believe in the same thing. Isn't that craziness? He just said that we don't believe in the same thing, but we just agreed on the same thing, and he walked off and said we don't believe in the same thing. Integration is what destroyed our people.
That's right.
We were prosperous people before assimilation. We were prosperous people before the so-called European came and destroyed our lands.
That's right.
We were prosperous people living in harmony with each other before the Europeans colonized our island. So don't get it twisted here. We're looking for the so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans of this land.
That's right.
We are telling you to come back and follow the law, statutes, and commandments of the Most High God. Because you are His chosen people. Let's read it in Deuteronomy 7 and 6.
The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 7 and 6. For thou art a holy people.
We are a holy people to the Most High God.
For thou art a holy people unto the Lord Yahweh.
That's right.
Thy Elohim Yahweh have chosen
He
thee
had chosen us
to be a special people.
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 That's right.
Unto himself.
Unto Himself.
Above all people
Above all people
that are upon
the face of the earth.
That's right. The so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans of this world are chosen to be the special people of the Most High God above all nations upon the face of the earth of God.
Deuteronomy 32, 8 and 9.
Let's go to Deuteronomy 32,
8 and 9.
8 and 9.
The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 32,
We are brothers. We are brothers.
verse 8 and 9.
That's right.
The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 32, 8 and 9. When the Most High divided the nations
When the Most High divided the nations
to their inheritance,
to their inheritance,
we separated the sons of Adam.
where we separated the sons of Adam,
He set the bounds of the people to the number of the children of Israel.
He set the bounds to the number of children of Israel, the chosen people of the Most High God.
For the Lord's portion
For the Lord's portion
is his people Jacob,
is his people Jacob,
the lot of his
the
inheritance.
lot of his inheritance. That's right. All praise to the Most High God. We're not here preaching unity. We're here preaching that the God of the Most High has chosen people, the Israelites of the Bible.
That's
That's
right.
And that you so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans are the chosen people of the Most High God. And that's why you have an obligation to come back and serve Him according to the Word of God.
That's
All praises
right.
to the Most High God, Yahweh, and His Son, Yahweh Shai, HaMashiach. Hallelujah!
Hallelujah.
The book of 2nd Esdras,
That's
chapter
right.
6, verse 54 through 56.
That's right.
And after these, Adam also, who thou madest Lord of all the creatures,
That's right.
Of
Adam was
Him.
the Lord of all the creatures.
of him come we all,
We all come from Adam.
and the people also whom thou hast chosen.
Even the people that the Most High God has chosen comes from Adam.
All this have I spoken before thee, O Yahweh,
Okay?
because thou madest the world for our sakes.
So the Most High God has made the world for a specific people's sake, which are the children of Israel.
And as for the other people,
And as for the other nations outside of the children of Israel,
which also come of Adam,
and they all people come from Adam, all nations come from Adam,
thou hast said they are nothing.
but those individuals who are not the 12 tribes of Israel, who are not the Israelites, those individuals are nothing according to the Most High God.
That's right. But be like unto spittle.
But they be like unto spit. That's how important you so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans are to God. You
That's
guys
right.
are that important that you guys are made in His image. All praise to the Most High God. Your bodies are the temple of the Most High God, but we're out here destroying it. We're out here destroying it with prescription pills.
Come
We're
on.
out here destroying it with alcohol. We're out here destroying it with the cigarette. We're out here destroying it with fornication.
Come on.
We're out here destroying it with lust and partying and drinking and all these things.
Con.
And has likened the abundance of them unto a drop that fall from a vessel.
So my question to you guys, my question to you brothers and sisters, if you had a bucket of water and you're walking with it, how important would a drop of that water fall? If it falls to the floor, how important is it to you? You wouldn't give a damn if a drop of water fell from a complete bucket full of water. You wouldn't care at all. And that's how the other nations to the Most High God is.
That's right.
You are the chosen people of the Most High God, you so-called blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans. And we're out here telling you that you're the most important people on this earth.
That's
But
right.
our brothers and sisters hate us for it. Our brothers and sisters are telling us that we're crazy by telling you, so-called Hispanics, so-called Puerto Ricans, so-called Dominicans, so-called Haitians, so-called blacks, that you are the greatest people on earth.
That's right.
And you hate us for it. We're so destroyed. That's my time. All praise to the Most High God.
All praise.
All praises. Kum Yasharala.
Kum Yasharala.
Kum Yasharala.
Kum Yasharala.
Kum Yasharala.
Kum Yasharala. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.